Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to more NFT education, where we try to take some of these NFT projects and learn more about them. All right. And so today I got a really dope project that I came across. It's called MetaDomez. All right. And we're going to go ahead and go over the website and we're going to pretty much break everything down. All right, so let's talk about the origin of MetaDomez. All right, the AI takeover. MetaDomez is an elite organization of artificial intelligence who've entered the metaverse and are being referred to as the ultimate bridge between humanity and technology. All right, over the passage of times, MetaDomez was able to develop advanced neutral network that is beyond human comprehension. All right, so off the top of my head, I like this artwork. All right, I like the 3D artwork as far as with NFTs. Now I see they have a minting website. Okay, that's pretty cool. We're gonna go over that at a later time as far as adding MetaMask and stuff like that. But so far so good, man. This artwork is pretty good. Let's get into this roadmap because you know the utility and what we can get with this NFT is mostly gonna be important. All right, so let's talk about season 1, episode 0 launch. 8,888 MetaDomez NFTs will be available to mint. Date to be determined. All right. The collection includes 150 unique 3D attributes that were carefully crafted with high detail by our amazing artist who has worked with many huge A-list celebrities and top artists. So I tell y'all all the time, when you're looking at these projects, if these people that are creating the project have connections, experience, all that type of stuff, then that's a good sign. All right, so far so good. Episode 1, secondary markets. The MetaDomez collection will be getting into an additional secondary marketplace such as OpenSea, where you can trade your MetaDomez NFTs. Episode 2, check rarity. You will be able to check rarity post mint as we integrate with rarity sniper, rarity tools, and rarity sniffer. All right, now for those of you who are unaware of what that even is, in these big collections, there's different elements. Like they got 150 unique elements, right? So the more rare ones, of course, are going to be more valuable, and they actually have software and programs to kind of check that. So that's what they're talking about there. Episode 3, the lab. A private Discord channel will be available for verified holders to receive exclusive benefits and chat amongst other MetaDomez holders. All right. Episode 4, merch. We'll be dropping exclusive MetaDomez merch such as shirts, hoodies, posters, and more to verified holders only. All right. Episode 5, airdrops. MetaDomez holders will be airdropped additional NFTs to complement their MetaDomez NFTs. These airdrops may be used as an access pass to exclusive benefits in the future. Episode 6, staking. All MetaDomez NFT holders will have the option to stake their MetaDomez to receive Domes token. By holding Domes token, this give you exclusive access to giveaways, merch, action figures, and more details to be announced in our token utility plan. All right, so far what I get is the utility of this NFT is gonna be merch, right? Physical merch for holders. On top of that, acrylic prints. I've actually seen some pictures that I'm gonna show y'all that as a graphic designer at heart that I am, bro, it really blew me away. And action figures, right? Like, that's crazy. So when you talk about staking to earn domes, which is going to be their token, their cryptocurrency, it'll be basically used to purchase the merch, it looks like. So basically by holding and staking the NFT, you can get some dope merch for free as well, what it looks like here. So as far as the long-term future, as season 1 winds down and they move forward with season 2, MetaDomez will explore the endless possibilities in the metaverse. MetaDomez will continue to expand into bigger projects such as a second generation integration into games and the metaverse collaborations and so on. We look forward to seeing you with us on our journey. Okay, so this is the team. All right, let's go check the communities. Let's go see what their communities are talking about. Oh, okay, this is a bigger one, right? And oh, I definitely believe in this project. I'm not gonna cap to you simply because, bro, these are real people. This project is hard. So the first 4,444 have already actually started to mint. So the public mint is live, right? But for every one that you mint, you'll be able to claim another one for free once they reach the cap of 4,444. So that's basically almost like a buy one get one free type deal. So their Twitter check definitely checks out. Let's go look at the Discord community. You got to verify, and that's always a good sign. And that means, hey, these ain't fake robots in this Discord community, right? So when you see stuff like that, then you know, like, oh, okay, this is this is for real. Official links. Let's go look at OpenSea. Okay, so they've already even got some volume traded. Everything. This is pretty dope. This is real life. They've already got some, you know, that minted out, and that's, you know, stuff is going, bro. So we definitely got to keep an eye on this. All right, and so here's some of the artwork that I actually seen on the internet. These acrylic posters, bro, are dope. Like, I think I'm gonna make me one for my YouTube channel, bro. But this is just some of the concepts, some of the stuff that I've seen, some of the plans that they have that kind of reminds me of the Funko Pop kind of style. But man, ultimately, bro, we definitely got to keep our eye on this project because, bro, they're legit. Like, that's insane, bro. They're legit. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm really intrigued by this project. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and I will keep y'all updated. Let's get it. Love y'all.